All right, today's rapid fire with Chris. The question is, why is the lender's credit score lower than the credit score I got? The answer is simple. The FICO scoring model that mortgage lenders are using is going to be either a FICO scoring model of a 2, 4, or 5, depending on the credit bureau. Now, the consumer level FICO scores that the banks or credit card companies are using is going to be the FICO scoring model 8. Why doesn't the mortgage industry change and adopt the new FICO 8? The answer to this, to make a long story short, is that it's really hard to adopt and overhaul the entire industry's usage of the FICO scoring models of a 2, 4, and 5. There are some considerations back in the days when the FICO scoring model 8 came about, but they realized that it was going to take too much effort and too much cost to change it from the 2, 4, and 5 to the 8. Maybe sometime in the future, but we don't see that anytime in the near future. Thanks for watching this video. I started a series on how to shop for a mortgage rate like a pro. If you're interested, I'll link the playlist below as well as an end card at the end of this video. Thanks. Talk to you later.